favored editing technique is to begin and/or end a shot at normal speed playback and apply a motion affected clip in the middle. Here's how to achieve this on the Blackbird timeline. The first step is to find the frame in the shot where you want to begin or end at normal play speed. In this example, I'll pick a frame near the end. Next, add a cut point to this part of the shot. This can be achieved by using an edit point button, which can also be assigned to a keyboard shortcut. If you wish to affect only the video, you'll have to unlink the audio. Simply click on the padlock to unlink them, as you can see on the sync track. Turn off the audio selectors so only the video gets affected. Click Shift and trim to the desired speed. In this example, I'll speed up the clip. The ending of the effect will match frame to the unaffected clip. That plays at normal speed because of the edit cut point set earlier. The same effect can take place at the beginning of the edit using the same technique. In our next tutorial, I'll show you how to create a freeze frame.